The JIS Heritage Competition is back. Enter your essay, poster, or photo and win big prizes. Here's how. If you're aged 9 to 12, enter the essay competition and tell us who is your favorite Jamaican sportsman or sportswoman and why. Essays must be 400 to 500 words, typed and in standard English. Entries will be judged based on relevance to the topic, originality, accuracy and analysis of the researched data, writing style, and language skills. High school students, enter the poster competition. This year's theme is Jamaica's rich sporting heritage. The posters can be digitally designed or illustrated and must be 11 inches by 17 inches. Images used for your digital poster must be taken from those provided from the picture resources on the JIS website, jis.gov.jm. Posters will be judged on interpretation of the topic, originality, neatness, and presentation. Digitally designed posters must be submitted using a cloud storage service such as Dropbox, OneDrive, or Google Drive. Illustrated posters should be mailed or dropped off at the JIS head office at 58A Halfway Tree Road or the Montego Bay office located at National Housing Trust Building, 2nd floor, 42B to C Union Street, Montego Bay, St. James. Please ensure you keep a copy of your entry. If you are a tertiary level student, enter the photo competition. This year's theme is I am a sports champion. Photos should be in high resolution and will be judged on interpretation of the topic, originality, composition, technicality, and impact. Submit your entries online via the JIS website. Competition closes for all 3 categories on November 6. Get started now! For more information, visit our website. Call us at 926-3590-4, extension 2137, or send an email.